Back everyone. You may be having some issues with your AirPods where they just keep announcing every single notification and message that you have. Now, this can happen for really only one reason, and I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to do this. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings app, and you'll come to a panel like this. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see notifications, which is right here. So you want to go and click on notifications, and when you do that, you'll see a lot of different things that come up. But the second tab right here says Announce Notifications. All you have to do is click on Announce Notifications, and you can go ahead and actually turn this off, which is right here. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and just keep it on, but you don't want it for your AirPods or whatever. Well, you can go ahead and disable it right here, and that'll still announce notifications for other apps, but it will not announce it with your headphones. Now, most of you probably want to do this, and then that's really all you have to do. Now, another thing, let's say you want to do it for different applications. Let's say you want your alarmy messages going through or apps being notified, but you don't want your messages being read to you or whatever. Well, you can go and click on messages right here. You can go ahead and scroll down to where it says Announce Notifications, and here we don't even have it enabled anymore because we turned it off. But sometimes if you want, you can go ahead and keep it on like this, scroll over back to messages, which is right here, and you will see that Announce Notifications option. All you want to do is click on Announce Notifications, and you'll basically be able to go ahead and turn this off like this too. So those are a couple different ways to remove those Announce Notifications things if you don't want them turning on your specific AirPod. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.